iJustine and I'm at Condo 3.0. I'm actually filming this video at the end of the event, but it is such an amazing, inspiring few days that I got a chance to spend with some really amazing creators and photographers. And behind me, the moon is rising over the mountains. It is absolutely beautiful. We're in Bend, Oregon, and we're at this place called Sun River, and it has been such a fun few days. So I'm gonna show you guys some vlog footage here that I filmed with the RX100 Mark VII. And right now I've got my favorite setup. I've got the microphone just plugged in directly to the camera. We also got a chance to check out the Sony a7R IV, and it is also absolutely incredible. We shot some really cool photos with that, so I'll share some of those with you here as well. If you want to see Nori. Nori. Hi, Nori. Nori is the queen of Condo. Nori. Nori, are you eating grass? I think she's eating some grass. We're about to get the best tracking shot ever of Jen and I riding these bikes. Curtis, you guys may remember we did the moon live stream that one day.
Dude, we're getting weird out here in Oregon, you know?
Yeah, this is crazy.
We're shooting with some great technology.
Yeah, this thing is insane.
Yeah, so it's basically a 6-axis stabilized gimbal. You can stabilize up to a 1,000mm lens.
Yeah.
And you can track from the ground, from a boat, from a helicopter, or whatever. Just like, it makes it kind of unfair. It's like the lazy
But you drove this from LA, right?
Yeah.
It's great. Today, we are going to track some very quality content. Jen and I riding these bicycles, of course, compliments of B&H with the B&H flag.
You focus right here, and then you have your zoom right there. A lot of times how people operate, you kind of have your thumb resting on the zoom rocker.
This is pretty cool. I'm gonna be controlling the shot over. Jenna is gonna be behind me, and I'm gonna be attempting to follow her and pull focus and zoom all at the same time. You think I can do it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you think it?
She's got it.
Cool. All right.
Here, I'll be your filmer.
Okay.
Hello!
This is incredible. So where did Jenna go?
There's a lot going on there. You gotta kind of, you know.
Yeah. Well, as soon as
We'll give you the crash course and shot over.
I already got it. I'm good. I'm ready.
All right, good. Sweet. All right, send it!
Oh my gosh, this is the coolest
Go!
thing ever.
Look at it. We got a big old gimbal there. Stable as it gets. Look at that talent. That's some talent right there. Justine here on the sticks.
Yeah, my focus though, I'm not really good at focusing.
Well, you better get good at focusing. And you better get good at tracking. You're a bona fide pro operator here.
Oh yeah.
This is like pretty legit actually.
Can somebody save me, save me, I'm losing every battle.
Great content, great use of the shot over.
So what do you think? What happened?
Okay, number one, got a little motion sickness. But number two, this was so much fun. I mean, basically, it felt like I was playing a real life video game, like tracking Jenna. It was really fun.
They look cool.
I can't wait to look at my footage.
How cool is
My
it?
only problem is the focus. It's really hard to pull focus. And, you know, you're moving around and there's a lot of stuff happening.
You did a pretty good job though.
Thank you, thank you. Well, let me tell you what. Everyone was super impressed. They're like, what is that? But they were not impressed with the subject matter. It was tracking, like, they tracking her. It's like, now I'm killing this bike ride.
While in Bend, Oregon, you have to go to the last Blockbuster. This is the last one open ever, anywhere. And we're here. I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably gonna buy some water because I'm really thirsty.
We can't buy something to return because we
don't live here.
won't return it.
Yeah, but you can buy stuff here, right? I don't know. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna go in.
No public restrooms available, that's for sure.
There it is. Could you take my photograph, Jenna?
Yeah, man.
I would like to take a picture of me watching a YouTube video in front of the Blockbuster.
All right.
Okay. I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me,
Hello. I used to come and rent movies with my family like all the time. Oh my god, it is my favorite movie ever. You guys are probably gonna think I'm weird, but this is one of my favorite movies ever. If you haven't seen it, I don't know, wouldn't recommend it.
Do you feel like you're in the 90s or?
I don't know, man. Another one of my favorite movies? Definitely time traveled. It looks like they have t-shirts and stuff for sale, so I feel like they probably sell more t-shirts than movies here. Definitely have time travel. And there it was, Blockbuster, and now we go. We're heading back, we're gonna get dinner, and I think there's some other activities. Jenna wants to go do a night shoot. There's so much stuff that we can do.
So much to do.
I'm overwhelmed. So right now we're shooting a little behind the scenes video here of making a really cool animation. I'll put a link right here to the Instagram. This is our second try. Spoiler. Got the shot. It is so early, but we are going on like a 4-mile hike. It's some Smith Rocks or something.
State park.
It's a state park, and we're going super early so that we can be back for all of the condo activities. I don't even think I slept last night, like at all.
It's still nighttime.
We have to get coffee and waters. I've got my sat phone. I've got my RX 100 Mark 7. I've got extra batteries. We do have to go.
Right onto Smith Rock Way.
We are not even a minute into this hike yet. We're not even out of the parking lot. It's so beautiful. I didn't bring the A7R4 because I didn't want to carry it. So I said I'm only bringing what I can carry, but like I could have left it in the car.
I have mine.
But I had all the lenses.
Oh, you did have all the lenses.
I've messed up.
That
Holy
long
moly.
lens would have looked really cool with 135.
Yes. This looks to me like we go shoot trail. $200 mil zoom. Pretty far. We're not even a mile in yet, just so you know.
How many miles?
It's like 4-mile loop. The whole first part of this is around the river. You guys are a little smudgy. So we entered this hike, I got nervous because I saw a bunch of rock climbers. I was like, crap, do we have to like climb? What I love about it is it will automatically orientate your videos. If you start shooting vertically, it'll know that you're shooting vertically and it prepares the video for you to post on Instagram stories. That's great. I know. Look how pretty this is. Look at that vertical video lifestyle. Why does that say most difficult?
I've never seen that before.
Me either. This was rated moderate. We're on it now, so here we go. What I found from All Trails is their definition of moderate. It's not the same definition that I have. It is called misery.
It's called, I mean, it's not called like Happy Trail.
Look at that. This looks like a face. We just passed the people that were rock climbing. They climbed up and over the mountain and now they're going down. So they definitely made way better time than we're making.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people.
Made it to the top. I thought it was actually gonna be way more difficult. I mean, going up this part was pretty strenuous, but I thought it went up for a lot further. Now that we're here, there's the little face that we saw. We went all the way around the mountain from over here, around here, up. Here's a 360 shot over the ledge. Yeah, I'm not getting any closer. Don't look down.
Yes, we dove in deep. The water turned cold.
I'm out of here.
'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow.
Apparently there's another ridge and we just made it there. We're on our way down now and it is just like the coolest views. Like it's really awesome. It's way cooler than I thought it was gonna be.
It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad.
Complete 2 hours, 18 minutes. done? Yes. I'd like to save it.
Again, strangers again. A part of me is living a lie. I want you like the
Behind the scenes. Right now, we are shooting something super exciting. We're at this really cool location, and we're shooting Carson doing some really crazy BMX tricks. We've got the drone. Curtis has his shot over, which you guys saw me use previously. Jenna has the A7R4. Yo! You got that 400 on there, the 100 to 400?
100 to 400. There's a lot going on.
Okay, time to fly. Good morning. Good morning. It's early. We're gonna go find the sunrise.
Wait, that's totally in the wrong. Do not enter.
No.
That car messed up.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, it's super confusing.
We have heard.
Hi.
Jason and Vivian are back there. So dark. It's a really great backlit. We'll see them in a second when the sun rises. Okay, so we made it here. We have to be quiet because there's people camping all around us. But we're gonna get some good shots. It's beautiful. It's so pretty.
I'm gonna be the motor, you're gonna be the navigator.
Here, just lean forward for a second.
So should I put it on?
No, you don't have Oregon State law. Just make sure. You
But like,
have it
should
in the
I?
boat.
though?
No, it's all flat water. There's no,
Okay.
there's no rapids.
But like, how deep is it?
It is over your head. We'll load you up and get you back up here.
Canoes, high chance of tippage. I forgot my Apple Watch, so nothing counts for activity today.
It's unfortunate.
I'm going so.
$200 mil zoom, baby. Oh my gosh, his face. This is so cute. Our friend Farouk, who you've seen in my videos before, he just hit 500,000 subscribers on YouTube here at Condo. So we decided we're gonna get him a cake. We asked them to write, "Congrats on 500K iPhone dough." Well, that's not quite how they interpreted it. It says congrats on book, but I'm gonna fix it. I've been thinking about this for the past hour and a half, how I can do this.
Congrats on.
Oh, it's great. Okay, here we go. Okay, press that in. Oh my gosh, looks perfect.
I know. Does somebody need a ride?
Yes, I need a ride.
Get in.
All right.
I have a problem. I travel a lot. I always buy bananas, but I never end up finishing them. So this morning I got a banana and then I left it in the truck. Oh my gosh. It has turned. It has baked. It's fermented. I mean, this is rotten.
It's disgusting.
Should we do an unboxing?
Is it squishy?
Oh my god, it's so squishy.
You can't touch. Just put it back where it came. It like blended in.
I didn't even see it. I thought it was my sunglass case. Farouk surprise! Okay, you go this way, this way.
Oh my God.
And that's it.
Thanks so
Yes, you go Yeah, hug it out, hug it out.
Not just an iPhone.
We did it.
For you.
Pretty even, good job. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had the best time, and I hope you guys enjoyed some of the footage from the RX 100 Mark 7. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi, Nori.